Yo, I'm about to go on the road with this shit, bro. Oh shit. I'm about to get hit. Okay guys, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna raffle off this one. I had way too much fun on this thing just now. I'm gonna keep this one. I'll go pick up a brand new one tomorrow from the Honda dealership. Finally finished work. It's the first time I get to take this thing actually outside. Let's take it for a spin. Law-abiding citizen here. On 10, 11, 12, 13. Ah, we're on 15 right now, bro. Yo, I'm about to wipe out with this shit, bro. Bro, there's ice all over the floor. Oh shit, we hit 16, bro. We're going against physics right now. I'm at 165. And we're on 16 miles per hour right now. I wonder if does this thing have a governor? Like an electric governor that like doesn't allow it to go faster than normal? Bro, I have no gloves on right now. It's so cold. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is moving. Ah, we're on up the hill, bro. Fuck it.
But what the hell?
Hello. Yo. Yeah, I'm definitely getting one for myself. And this is way cheaper than those other scooters too. And it's convenient. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Just cause it's Honda, bro, I fuck with it. I might just keep this one and buy another one for y'all tomorrow, cause the raffle's almost done. There's like 15 spots left. Yo, I'm about to go on the road with this shit, bro. Should I? I could go to the gas station, low key. We about to do it. We're about to do it. We're going on the road. Ah, now there's way too many cars, bro.
Why are you gay?
I'm about to get macked. I'm about to get macked. There's a boy on a suitcase on Route 28. He's going no more than 15 miles per hour. Fuck it. We outside, bro. We outside, bro. Oh shit, I'm about to get hit. I'm about to get hit. Oh damn, why'd I do this? Why'd I do this? I'm on the side because I couldn't merge, bro. I don't have turn signals. All right, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. We gotta go to the gas station, bro. Hello, sir. All right, we made it. Now, thought it was gonna get stolen. I'm not trying to bring it inside, but is there a little ramp here, bro? Oh, there it is. I'm like, damn, bro. What if I'm handicapped? I don't think my MotoCompacto is gonna get stolen. We need a drink. What's up, bro? Do they have the zero sugar? They do not. Ah, it's whatever. Okay. Light and water secured. I don't know what happened to this door. It looks like they got hit or something. And it didn't get stolen, so. Take a great drink. And it has a compartment. Like, look at how big this compartment is, bro. Huge. Fit whatever in there. Turn this bitch on. Bro, I haven't even used the horn. Not the horn, the little bell. We're gonna have to use it right now to merge into traffic. Oh shit! Officer. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone right here. Cause I feel like it was gonna fall. Damn, bro. I'm gonna have to do some crazy shit. Can you see? Alright, we're gonna do it. 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 Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah. Yo. We're going 16. We're going 16 miles per hour. I don't have a rear view mirror, so I'm gonna just stay right here. It's like and turn right. Alright, we good. We good. We good. Oh. Oh shit, let me wait. That's what he's on her phone, bro. Get off your phone, bro. What if I was in front of you? Hello. Bro, okay. Alright, let's go. Oh no. Let's go. 7 miles per hour. Come on. No cars. Come on. 7. Come on, you got it. 8. We're going straight uphill, bro. 13. 15. 16. 17. Alright. You know what we're gonna try to do? We're gonna jailbreak this bitch. We're gonna boost this shit. But like I said, I actually might buy another one because I kind of want to keep this one. Let's kickstand down. I can't feel my hands. I'm gonna have to pause the video. All right, guys. There's like 15 spots left. $10 per spot. 100 spots total. if y'all want to win this shit, let me know. That was fun. Can't feel my hands, but it's okay.